Okay, what we've got here is an app platform that I created, coding with AI. Every bit of it is coded with AI. I don't actually code myself. My last coding class was 1988. Okay, so I'm calling it Unlocking AI. It's a human enhancement, reasoning optimization, and education system. Let's get logged in and take a look at it. I'm going to log into the admin account. This brings us to the dashboard. We have a subscription system set up that's paid through Square.com. Just development prices on here. It's you can set them for whatever you want. Okay, but we won't go over that too much right now. We want to look at API keys. This API keys, let me delete the one that I have in here. These API keys, they're used to authorize external apps to use this as a sign-on platform, and then the app receives a JWT token to authorize it to work. Okay, so all you do is click Create Your Account API, give it a name. I'm going to call it Test API, create the API key. Now copy that. You're going to need to use it in your app to reach out for authorization. Okay, save my key, and then it also will save in your account to check against when you use it to authorize an external app. Okay, got an admin panel. Keeps track of total users, the active users, new users today, and total subscriptions. And then it's got some navigation keys to take care of different things. You can manage the users. Here's all our test accounts. You can, like if you select one, and then with the selected, you can delete it, reset the password, or view the full details. Now, the main purpose of this app is a launch platform. Basically, it does all of the sign-in and authorization for the apps to run when they launch from this program. And they launch from the web apps page. We've got 5 apps on here. Just a quick look at it. Info Ninja is one of our apps. Info Ninja is one of our apps that we also coded with AI, but it is launched on our own Unlocking AI platform. Single sign-on, JWT authorization. It has regular text input. Just tell the AI hi there, and it'll give us back. It's hello, how can I assist you today? It also has text-to-speech and voice recording. You can also upload files. Okay. It has, this file just has my Windows 11 product key in it, so we'll ask it, what have you got there?
Could you please clarify what you're referring to?
And it says the document in my hand is a Windows 11 home product key, and then it went ahead and listed the key because it read it right out of the file. Okay, that's enough of the apps. We've got 5 of them that are all AI coded and all AI powered except for the OCR to PDF app. That one's simply Tesseract OCR and OCR my PDF to create a text overlay on an image-based PDF file. The things you'll need to do this for free are VS Code Studio. It's a free program to use. There are others out there, but this is the one that I use, so that's why we're using it. Okay, so you go to code.visualstudio.com/download, and it shows you a Windows downloadable, Linux downloadable, and Mac downloadable. Pick your operating system. I'm working on Linux, so I use the Debian one. Once you have that installed, go to python.org and download the newest version of Python, 3.13.7, and get that installed. Okay, and then we've got one more. There's a couple of different ways to run programs. You can use a virtual environment or a Docker container. For me, Docker containers are simple, easy to run, and they don't clutter up your computer. Okay, so it's docker.com/product/docker-desktop. Okay, And there is a free tier, so just go ahead and download it, get it installed, and then you'll have what you need. Run containers out of VS Code. Okay, once you have VS Code open, this is your chat area, this is your folders area, and in the middle here is where you'll see your documents and your terminal. What we need to do is go to the extensions tab right here, type in Google Code Assist, click that one, and then I already have it installed, or it would have an install button right here. You go ahead and click it and get that installed. This is how AI will write the code for you. Next, we will have AI code just a quick little demo program. It's not going to be terribly useful for anything, just an example of how this works.